I've been waiting months to do this video. And the reason I've been waiting so long is, number one, I wanted to make sure I had as much experience as possible before trying to preach something. You know what I mean? It's like lead by example. That's kind of the core here. And, first and foremost, the video is solely about getting started with NFTs and crypto. This is all non-financial advice. First and foremost, I wanted to congratulate you. This is something that I wish earlier I would have gotten into, but sometimes you're just not ready. There's a lot of times in life where there's always these shoulda, woulda, coulda, you know what I mean? But in all reality, it never really clicks in your head until you're like, wow, like they were telling me this the whole time. Like, if I would have listened to the homies telling me to buy Ethereum back in like 2016, 2017, or whenever it dropped, I would be a multi-millionaire right now, big chillin', because I had a very solid stream of money coming from YouTube, and I didn't really know much about investing. I always put investing on the back burner just because, you could die tomorrow. It's really not that important to me, but now it is, and that's cool, man. It's never too late. So I just wanted to congratulate you for just being open-minded, willing to watch this video, watch it through, maybe learn a few things and apply it or don't apply it. It's really up to you. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have been seeing this NFT hype, people making thousands upon thousands of dollars, young individuals becoming multi-millionaires over the course of the last year, and it's incredible. But this video isn't to gloat and tell you you're gonna make millions of dollars. I mean, you could. It's definitely possible. Thousands, hundreds. It's 1000% possible. But I want to explain more of why these NFTs are selling. Why are these images selling for so much money? What is the hype behind it? And what it really comes down to is community, guys. A lot of these NFTs have such a strong belief in community, similar to us. It's the same concept as sneakers. Why is it that every Saturday you wake up with high hopes, ready to grab another pair of shoes when you already have 100 pairs? Like, why do you keep buying more and more and more? What does that do for you? And I put that in terms of like NFTs are the better version of that. This is a potential amazing community that you can get into, a lot of benefits, whether it's a potential utility, which could be a token, for example, cyberkongs. If you own one of these cyberkong NFTs, essentially, and these aren't exact numbers, I'm just making it simple. Let's say every day you earn 10 bananas. This is a token similar to like Ethereum or a Bitcoin token, right? So it's a banana token. Let's say you get 10 a day, and the current price of that token is $10. So you're getting 10 tokens a day. That's $100 you get per day just for owning that specific NFT. You're telling me I could have bought this NFT for $100, and now there's people making $100 passive income every single day just from owning this image of a gorilla? I'm saying, bro, makes no sense. But that's to give you some examples. There's VIP events and all this like online world that is approaching us. I want to show you how you can set up everything you're going to need to buy NFTs or crypto. Really your choice. It's going to be super simple. So the first thing that we're going to start off with is Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase, I'll put a link down below. That link is affiliated. I'm just going to let you know when you sign up, you get $10 worth of Bitcoin. I get $10 worth of Bitcoin. And that's of this very moment of me shooting this video. It could change. I don't really know, but it's simple. You're just going to sign up for a Coinbase account. And we'll get into more advanced things later on down the road of this series, but this is just a simple foundation of how to like get this going. So simple. You want to sign up for your Coinbase account. Once you have that created, then you'll just log in and you will see a dashboard that looks like this. So you guys can see my portfolio balance. You'll have your trades, pay, all blah, 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 all that good stuff. You guys can see I currently have like 1.4 Ethereum, currently worth about $4,500. I have some Sheeb, have some other things, Bitcoin, blah, 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 just a little bit of everything. And this is really just your foundation. This is where you can simply just buy Ethereum. You can buy Bitcoin, do your own research. It's really all up to you. Now, once you have all this set up, you're going to link your PayPal account. You can link your bank account, depending on how much money you want to put in. And I love to say this to all the homies that are starting out. Just put $50 into Ethereum. It's as simple as that, just so you can kind of understand the process. So we're going to go ahead and click buy right here. You guys can see you can buy up to $3,000, and that's just based on the current account I have. But the other ones, it gives you higher limits. As you continuously just buy stuff, you can see there's Bitcoin right here. I'm going to go ahead and change that to Ethereum. I'm just going to put $50 in, and I go ahead and just preview buy. So you guys can see the current price of Ethereum is $3,200. I'm purchasing $50 worth, which that's going to give me 0.014 ETH. The Coinbase fee for that is going to be $1.99. and I'm gonna go ahead and click buy now. Now, it's possible that you might have to go through some verification processes like uploading your ID or confirming your bank account just because you're new. I've been doing this for a while, so my account is already just optimized and set up. Now I have that Ethereum in my account. Congratulations, you just bought Ethereum, you bought crypto, whatever it was that you decided to buy. Boom, first step is done. And you can also either do this on your desktop or you can do it on your iPhone, Android, whatever it is. You just download the Coinbase app. It's really simple. I personally recommend just doing it from your computer at first, just to get everything officially set up, and then, you know, just download it on your phone and log in. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is download something called MetaMask. You're gonna go to metamask.io, click the link down below. Guys, make sure you never click any weird links because people can hack your account and they can literally steal everything from you. One of the best investments that you guys can make at this moment, if you truly plan on getting into this, is buying this little thing right here. I don't know if the camera's focusing, but it is called a ledger. This protects your crypto. Any moves you make, you have to do it with this hard wallet or hardware wallet, whatever they call it. This thing is so vital. This $100 can save you thousands, because if someone hacks your account, I'm telling you, there's no way of getting it back. It is gone. I'll talk more about this later, but again, we're just getting everything set up. So now we're in MetaMask. This is actually a Chrome extension, so you're going to go ahead and download it now. And this is another thing that you're just going to simply create an account, and it's going to give you a seed phrase. This seed phrase you need to write down in a safe location. Write it down multiple times, put it in the safe, put it in places that you know are safe, because again, if someone steals this seed phrase and logs into your account, they can ruin your life. You need to protect this seed phrase at all cost. Don't put it on the iCloud or anywhere where someone can access that and literally destroy you. Now, once MetaMask is set up, you can actually add custom accounts. So you can create a different account. You guys can see I have Mike the Compass and I have my vault, and then I have another NFT. Hopefully I plan on releasing here soon. But you guys can see to the side, it says hardware. That's actually because it's on my ledger to protect all of my crypto. Now you just create that account, and you know, you can name whatever your nickname is, whatever you just want your account to be set up as. Obviously I'm Mike the Compass, so that's what it is. There you go. Step number 2 done. We have Coinbase, we have MetaMask. Now everybody always asks me, yo Mike, where do you buy NFTs? Like, where is all this at? Now we're gonna go to OpenSea.io. Compare this to something like an eBay or a StockX for sneakers or for things. You know, OpenSea is a marketplace for NFTs, collectibles. So once you already have that Chrome extension of MetaMask connected to your browser, you'll be able to set up your account with ease. You guys can see right here, here's mine, Mike the Compass. Here's a few of my NFTs that I got going on. You can go to your settings, and that's where you'll be able to, you know, set up your username, put your email in there, create your bio, and, you know, essentially just make your OpenSea account. And it's that easy. So now we'll go to something as simple as stats. We'll click activity. You guys can see all the different sales. Actually, let's go stats. Let's go to rankings, and you guys can see the top NFTs in the last 7 days. Just to give you an example, if you don't know anything about any of this, let's look at this project called Phantom Bear. Huge in Asia, I believe. You can see the floor price is currently 4 Ethereum. So if you can imagine, I would think this mint was like 0.07 or something. 200, 300, 400, whatever, something like that. Now people that have been holding it can sell this for $13,000. Now I don't know too much about this project, but this is just to give you an example. And obviously one of the bigger projects that everyone essentially knows about is the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Floor is like 74 ETH, which goddamn, that's insane. I still kick myself in the head, literally, because I knew about this and I was just too scared to invest in NFTs. I didn't understand any of it, so I'm like, nah, bro, there's no way. Could have simply minted 10 of these and I'd be a millionaire, literally. You guys can see right here, $240,000 is the lowest buy-in to this specific NFT. And what does this come with? A potential token in the future, merchandise. If you guys haven't seen, they did the collaboration with Adidas. Bored Ape is literally doing everything right. And that just goes to show you the potential. People aren't selling these, they're holding them. Imagine you paid $200 for something, it ends up being worth $240,000. And you're like, I'm not going to sell it, because you know the value that comes with it. That $100 that they spent made them a lot of money, just let me tell you. And then we have tons of other projects that you guys can easily just look through and, you know, kind of try to learn how all this works. And so there you guys can see, these are some of the top projects. You can kind of go through there and just see how things work, you know, just mess around with the platform and learn. That is literally the best advice I can give you. If you want to learn all this, you just need to experience it. You need to learn how to buy. You need to try to purchase things. You need to make some money. You need to lose some money. It's seriously a process, and it's one that can't just be talked about. You can't just talk. You need to apply like some serious action in order to really understand how this goes down. So now that we have everything set up, we have the Coinbase, we have the MetaMask, we have the OpenSea. This is exactly how you send money from your Coinbase to your MetaMask. And that's how you're going to be able to purchase these NFTs. So for example, you guys can see right at the top of this MetaMask Chrome extension, all I got to do is click copy to clipboard. And that's my MetaMask address. So I'm going to go back to Coinbase. I'm going to click send, and let's just say that I wanted to send all my ETH. So I'll just click send all, enter that address that I copied from my MetaMask. That's your make sure this address is correct, guys, because if you send it to the wrong address, it's gone. So just always double check everything. Make sure you're always paying attention. This is not something that you multitask. If you multitask, one little mistake can lose you a lot of money. Trust me. Now that I got that address pasted, I'm going to go ahead and click continue. You guys can see the Coinbase fee is 0. Network fee is 0.004 total. That'll go to my MetaMask is $4,591 or 1.4 Ethereum. I go ahead and click send now. It's going to send within like 1 to 5 minutes. Then I'll automatically have that Ethereum added to my balance. One NFT that I actually just purchased today that I want to show you guys. My goal is to never like shill any projects on you guys and be like, oh, you should purchase this. I definitely made the mistake initially, like trying to partner up with these brands, and I'm never going to take money from an NFT and try to influence you guys to buy in. I think number one, that's just super shady. And what's been going on with a lot of influencers is a lot of these brands have been paying out massive dollar amounts to influencers to influence their audiences to purchase specific NFTs that end up just going to zero. The influencer makes a bunch of money and then their audience just gets screwed. And I'm just not cool with that, man. I truly respect my credibility and my reputation. So I'm never gonna like, oh, you should purchase this. I'm just gonna show you guys what I've bought solely out of my own interest. And if you decide to follow that, that's on you. I'm just showing you guys this as an example. Coolman's Universe, you guys can see the floor price is at 1 Ethereum. I just bought one for like 0.97. And just to show you guys how you buy this, OpenSea is essentially like Imagine StockX being the resale market. So these were all purchased for retail at like $200, right? Now they're being resold at $500, $4,000, $6,000, $18,000, whatever, right? When you want to purchase something on the resale market, you could say, you click buy now. This will show you all the different listings. We can see this one is at 1 ETH. I can go ahead and click buy now. I can see it's going to cost me $3,262. I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm. You can see the gas fee. So a gas fee is money that you will never get back. Gas fee goes to miners, these people that have these mining rigs that mine this for you. But imagine like when you use PayPal, you know, there's always a little fee associated with it. That's what the gas fee is. It's just something that is a part of the network, and it is what it is, man. You just got to get used to it. So you can see the total that I'm going to end up paying is 1.04 Ethereum. I don't have my ledger set up, so I can't purchase this right now, but I would just hit confirm. The transaction would go through. I would purchase it for that price. And then from then on, I can just sit and wait. You know, if the floor goes up to 1.2, I can sell. If it goes to 4 ETH, I can sell and make that profit and, you know, just kind of keep it pushing. You do pay taxes on all this stuff, so make sure you're well aware of that. But I just wanted to give you guys that example. Now, I know this video has a lot of information and it kind of just could make your head spin, but I just want you to take little baby steps. Create your Coinbase account. Put $50 in there. Create your MetaMask account. Write down your secret seed phrase, save it, don't share it with anyone. Set up your OpenSea profile. It's like setting up a Facebook, setting up a Twitter. And those, my friend, are putting you ahead of people who are too scared to just try something new that could potentially change their life, or, you know, you could lose it all. Never put in any money that you're not willing to lose. With all that being said, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is literally video 1 of my NFT series that I'm going to be releasing. I'd love for you guys to drop some more comments down below, because I'm sure if you have a question, there's thousands of others with the same question. So don't be shy. Much love to y'all, man. Hope for much success. Looking forward to a great 2022. It's crazy to even say that, but this is your boy Sneaker Life, man. I'll catch you on the next one. Also, do me a huge favor, man. Follow me on Twitter, bro, at Mike the Compass. Literally the biggest social network so far for NFTs is Twitter. You need a Twitter. Like, that is where all the information is, and we'll talk about that in later videos. But be sure to follow me if you got any value out of this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Run it.